Of course. Here's the translation. Sudan is characterized by great natural and geographical diversity, making it a country rich in various natural features. Below is an overview of Sudan's natural elements. Trees and forests. Savannas. They cover vast areas of Sudan and include trees like Ikash and Hashaf, the source of Kamaribk. Forests, found in South Sudan, Darfur, and Kordofan, with large trees such as mahogany and teak. Palm trees, found in the northern regions near the Nile. Rivers and waterfalls. The Nile River, one of Sudan's most prominent natural landmarks, consisting of the White Nile and the Blue Nile, which meet in Khartoum. Seblok waterfalls, located on the Nile north of Khartoum. These waterfalls are a popular tourist destination. Nile tributaries include rivers like Bahr el-Kazawa and Outbaura River. Mountains. The Mauri Mountains, located in Darfur. These are among the highest mountains in Sudan and are known for their diverse ecosystem and pleasant climate. Tawki Mount, situated in Kassel State, it is one of Sudan's beautiful natural landmarks. The Nobi Mountains, stretching across South Kordofan, they feature picturesque scenery. Pyramids. Sudan is home to many pyramids, especially in the Maro region, Al-Bajrawi. These are the pyramids of the ancient kingdom of Kush and are among the country's most iconic archaeological landmarks. Wildlife. Sudan is rich in wildlife thanks to its fertile lands and fast grazing areas. Camels. Sudan is one of the largest camel-rearing countries. Cattle, especially in Safani and southern regions. Sheep and goats, found in most areas. Wildlife includes lions, elephants, giraffes, and gazelles, particularly reserves like the Dender Reserve. Nature reserves. Dender National Park, located in southeastern Sudan. It is home to a wide variety of animals and plants. Raudom Reserve, found in Darfur. It is another significant natural reserve. The importance of nature to Sudan. Sudan relies heavily on nature for agriculture and livestock as the primary sources of income. Natural and archaeological tourism has significant potential, though it remains underutilized. These diverse elements make Sudan a uniquely rich country both environmentally and culturally.